Hello and welcome to Forest Tech. Previously I did an episode about making color grading simple. Link is above if you want to check it out. Now, right when I was done with that episode, I came across a scenario where we have multiple skin tones. Question is, do we have to grade every face and skin separately? And if not, how will we do that so they look realistic and professional? So got a lot going on. Before you watch this video, I would insist you go out and check out my tutorial on grading posted last week. It's a great starting point and will make things more clear to follow up in today's video. So here we have an overexposed background, doesn't look bad as it's a sunny day, 4 people with natural skin tones. If you're able to make one tone consistent, they will all average out and come to a standard look according to the lighting on the day of shoot. Now let's switch to full resolution for better viewing. Now these all having pink tints going on around their faces. We have to bring them down. I won't be picking the goggles on this face. Keep the face which is most visible and the skin is more clearly visible. I will head to the effects, opacity, and using the pen tool draw a face mask. Now let's head over to Lumetri Scope. You can open it from Windows Lumetri Scope if it's not yet opened. Also open up YUV and Luma Waveforms and Lumetri Color Panel from Windows. You can see there is a lot of pink and these cloud streaks are heading towards the red and magentish colors. To bring them down to this line and align it together, I will head to Curves, go to Hue versus Hue, using the eyedropper pick up the sample from the face. I will bring the middle point down, have a look at how the color scope reacts. To have more control, I will add 2 more points and tone the red and pink a little bit. It looks pretty satisfactory, but still a little pale, so I will enhance the red and purple a bit. Looking at all faces, we average quite nicely. Now head to Hue versus Saturation to lift up brightness. Take a skin sample using eyedropper. I'll be moving the middle point up to improve brightness, raising it up for around 60 for this skin tone. Now this IRE is these numbers on the left side of your Luma waveform, which is 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. So for darker and wheatish skin tones, you should keep your IRE around 30 to 40 as an average. In some cases, IRE could be 20 as well. But for brighter skin tones, 60 seems well enough. Now we get a much better result. To add final touches, bring the contrast to something like 10. Improve highlights just a little. Drop the shadows a little bit. And we get a much better grade now. See all the skin tones, it looks pleasing, natural to the daylight around. If I turn it off and back on again, you can have a comparison. And that's a great job, guys. This is what we're supposed to do to make the look as natural as we possibly can. So there it is, hoping this would help you create better content in future. Hit like and subscribe if you like what you see. Stay and look after your family and friends, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till again, Forest Tech signing out.